This is a very important program because it gives those very special trees even additional protection. 9 of the 10 nominated trees were found as part of the championship tree program, and 1 was nominated by a private tree owner. It's important because almost all of the trees that are being nominated for this program are growing in areas where they could be at risk in the future from development, from infrastructure, from underground utilities, and those types of dangers. Think of them as our senior citizen trees. They are the oldest, grandest, largest trees that we have left in the county. The tree that we're standing next to right now is probably my personal favorite of the nominees for specimen status. This is a post oak. It's not only a champion tree, it's also the state champion post oak, which means it's the largest post oak in the state. Quercus stellata, and it is so named. The leaf is cruciform shaped, and as you can see, it forms sort of a cross for identification purposes. And the amazing thing is that a tree that can grow this large produces these very tiny acorns. This tree is 18 feet in circumference, it's 93 feet tall, and it's over 100 feet crown spread in all directions. This tree easily dates back to the late 1700s, maybe the early 1700s. And the real dichotomy here is we're standing next to this really ancient tree, and I can hear the traffic on Route 66 just about 100 yards over there. And we hope that through the championship tree program and through this new specimen tree program, as part of the county ordinance, that trees like this will be here in future generations for our relatives and other citizens to enjoy. The thing to remember is this tree is so old that if this tree was lost, it's a living historical resource. This tree could not be replaced. It's literally irreplaceable. We can build a ball field. We can build a high-rise building in a couple of years if we had enough money. It would take 4 generations to replace a tree like this.
Well, it's a white oak. I don't know how old it is, but it was here when we moved in 30 years ago. Well, this tree it's not special in that it's a white oak, and there's a lot of white oaks, but this one is exceptionally large. I think that anybody who has a really nice old tree ought to have it investigated and see if it would qualify. If I sell the house, that the next person that buys it can't take the tree down. And that means that they can't just clear the whole lot and take this gorgeous tree. It keeps the canopy here in this area.